Trizzy on the beat, Rizzy on the beat, like goddamn, get 'em.
Can't a fly nigga keep stunting anymore? Bitches is on deck, we brought them to the door. How you gon' come through without no standards and fuck a bad bitch without no manners? See, I'm more than the topic, I actually forgot it. Still a skinny nigga and chillin' with fat pockets. The mind says stop it, my mouth keep talking. If you ain't the block, then homie, just keep rocking. Rap tight, lyrics was a gift to me, and it's a cold world, my wrist first to freeze. I'm the realest MC, boy I got to be. So all of you rappers out just ain't impressing me. Hottest up in the summer, coldest out in the winter. Underrated, you haters are too little. Straight to the top, y'all niggas is too middle. The illest rapper out, I'm sicker than hospitals. Can't a fly nigga keep stunting anymore? Bitches is on deck, we brought them to the door. How you gon' come through without no standards and fuck a bad bitch without no manners? Welcome to the biz where the stars are basic. We on airplane fly, we stay as high as spaceships. Niggas is coy shy, we talking big boy statements. Watching the throne cause the seats are up for taking. Trizzy on point, I'm getting heads to spin. Been gone so long, they let the bench commit. Hey shawty, do it big, you could bring your friends. Dropping so many lines and I got bars to lend. I'm stunting like I got it free, fresher than I oughta be. A fake chick, we gon' call the bitch Monopoly. How you expect me with all my swagger to leave a bad bitch without no manners? Take two, put 'em on the map. Ill will killing every track. In fact, the homies out front better watch their backs. If they hate, then let them hate and they can watch the stacks.